Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how to organize your assignments on Google Classroom so that students aren't overwhelmed by seeing all of these assignments uploaded at once. So when you upload assignments for remote learning, first you want to click on classwork. You don't want to upload everything on the stream because it's very unorganized and students can't see the assignments in an orderly fashion. So click on classwork and click create and click this option at the bottom, topic. So for my first topic, I could say week 1. You can add dates in that title too. So let's say week 1 was May 21st. You could put May 21st to that Friday date. Then you can create another topic, week 2, and you can include dates here as well. Now you see that week 2 pops up above week 1. If you want them to go backwards in that order, that's fine. If you want them to see week 1's work first, you can click on week 2 and drag the topic down so that now you see it in order from the first thing that you posted to the last thing that you posted. When you're adding an assignment to these topics, you'll click create, and then let's say it's a material. You can say fractions activity. Read the Google Doc attached to this assignment and answer the questions provided. After you make your assignment, make sure you go to topic and you find which week you want to assign that assignment to the students. So let's say I wanted to assign this week 1, I would click week 1. You can post it immediately so students can see it as soon as possible, or you can click on the drop-down menu right next to post and click schedule. If you click on schedule, then students won't see it. It will be hidden until the date that you pick. So let's say I want it to be hidden until April 1st at 8 a.m. So I would click schedule. Now you'll see that it's underneath week 1 and it's light gray because students can't see it yet. I'll show you what it looks like when students can see it immediately. So let's make another assignment. We can title it Decimals Activity. Take notes on the decimals PowerPoint attached to this assignment. Let's say I wanted this to also be on week 1. So I click here and I want them to immediately see it. So I click post. So that's why this turns purple. It's bold because students can see it. This one is light gray because I don't want them to see it just yet. Another way to organize it is I like to put the days of the week. So if this is the assignment for Monday, at the beginning I would put Monday and then save. And then for the fractions activity, you can always edit the title to organize it, and you can title this Tuesday. That way students can see it in order for what they have to complete each day rather than just seeing a bunch of assignments all at once and confused on where to start. Hope this helps someone. Let me know if you have any questions about Google Classroom.